Boss TV. So hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. Once again, this is Bibus TV. Hoping you the best and I hope that you get some you learn some lesson to me in my last episode. So okay. So last episode guys is I teach you how to quantify devices and equipment if the blocks is not exploded and the layer is okay. So for now, our topic is the part 2 on how to quantify devices and equipment when the block is exploded and the layer is not okay. So we need to say the block is exploded guys is like this. Okay? So it's not one, it is exploded. So I will teach you guys on how to quantify this one, but first please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you are aware for my next video. And I would like to say shout out to Pope. I am Pope Randy and to the batch 1999 SNHS. Okay. So let's start. This last episode, our topic is how to quantify devices or equipment if the block is not exploded. So I teach you like this. So this is not exploded. So when you get to quantify these devices or equipment, so you need to just click this device, then select similar, okay. Then just select quick properties, okay. So you have 9. So if you count it on, it's highlight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what if our topic today is how to quantify devices is if the block is exploded. So how to count that one? How to quantify that one if the block is exploded? So meaning to say, let's go to other drawing. Meaning to say exploded is like this, okay? Because we cannot use we can use the same technique, but you need to double check. This drawing guys is only small drawing, but it's very difficult to quantify if it is exploded blocks if is have a big plan like, but also this plan is very small, so it's easy. But I will show you how to count this one. So last time this one when you say select similar, so it selects similar. So all the what you call it one type of power like this, it shows has been selected. So meaning it's wrong. So how to quantify this type of devices or equipment if it is the block is exploded? So you want to know? Okay, I will tell you guys. So the best technique for this guys is you need to make a block which is meant to be circle. Okay, so we want to make so we make circle like this, just any type of circle. Okay, then you put it name it black, make it black. I say C1. Okay, like that, example like that. So pick name, then select object. So now this type of circle is already black. So I teach you guys so how to quantify now this one, especially like this all the same this type of devices. So just go to your circle, just count, just put circle on the devices that you want to quantify anywhere. So you want to count this one, all circle. It's very easy guys. Okay, this is the technique guys. As per my experience is concerned, this is what I did. This is not so critical because the plan is very big. But if it's the plan is very small, meaning to say the plan is small, but if the plan is very big, guys, it's very difficult. Okay. Oh, see. So all the duplex socket is already been I put circle. So meaning to say I put my black circle that one. Okay. So now you can quantify now this one. It's easy. So just click, select similar. Okay. Then quick properties. Okay. So there are 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8. Okay. Oh, you can quantify now. So I go back. What if we quantify without using this block? So without make any block. So like this. Example, this type of socket. Simply wait. Okay. How many? It's too many. Okay. Even the one we have already put black circle is one. So there's a tendency that your quantify a device or gadget will be wrong. So the technique is just make a circle of black. I mean to say, we make another circle. Okay. Okay, we make another block. So we need to explode this one. And then block, type simplex block. Okay, simplex block. This type of block is simplex, but that's the device itself. Okay, don't worry the colors, guy. Do not problem the layer here. Okay, so this block is simplex block. So all the simplex gadget or devices, just put it circle. Okay. Okay. Or the circle. Okay. Easy. Okay. So now we can select now. Select similar. Okay. Once the similar similar simplex blocks are been highlighted. So okay. So right click, quick property. So there are 6. So as we count this one, 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, I will show you. Quick properties. Oh wait. Select similar. Then quick properties. So they are highlight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So guys, that's all for our topic for today. So I hope you get some lesson or you learn something. So I hope you will follow for my next video, and I hope you will don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you are aware for my next video. So okay guys, see you and God bless. Bye bye.